Flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you still call me. Yeah. Before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah, I made a vow that I would try sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep. Cause I love you too much to ever stop liking you. Oh, leave the story ending. No, I love you too much to ever stop liking you. So don't expect me to be your friend. You act so happy when I see you. You smile and take my hand and introduce me to your latest lover. Yeah.